Welcome to Heroes Assembly. Hey, down see Africa, who is my name, the grandson of all revolutionary ancestors. Today, I would like to talk about the school feeding as commenced by the federal government of Nigeria. Our government has commenced school feeding even when the students are at home due to lockdown. Our people don't say, "You get how matter go vex you reach, you will forget grammar, you start to speak your dialect." Now so the matter they do me now like this. Despite the lockdown, our government don't budget 676 million naira. Then budget 676 million naira for daily feeding of students waiting for house. Come to think of it, how many parents of this said student now have collected their own palliative for the COVID-19 wahala that has taken over the world today? How many? The same government that is begging for donors to donate for the fight against COVID-19, they are begging both local and international donors for money just to combat COVID-19, are the ones budgeting 676 million naira for daily feeding. At a time like this, that the price of crude oil has drastically fallen in international markets, every reasonable government is expected to manage whatever they have diligently. But unfortunately, it's as if this money has already been looted. Therefore, they must hide under one umbrella now, and that umbrella today is feeding of students. Come to think of it this way, if they go to a particular area, let's say Sabongeri in Kano, how will they tell us they feed students of a particular school? Because definitely those living in that place won't be attending the same school. If they come to my area now, for example in Lagos here, the people there are not attending the same school. So how will they come with their record that we've been able to feed students from so school, from so school? This is quite funny and unfortunate. How much does some parents even need to set up small scale business that will be feeding them on daily basis? Some parents don't need more than 20 to 30,000 naira, but government is not ready to give them such help, but they are ready to feed their children that are at home under their parents. It's quite unfortunate the kind of record being set by this government. As they are setting record in terms of politics, they are setting record with judiciary. Now, here's another record being set. As bad as Abacha was during his days, he looted and looted and looted until death. He never used children as bait. For the 16 years rule of PDP and all their looting, they never used children as bait. It is quite unfortunate that a government that rode on the horse of anti-corruption into office is now using children as bait. If you look at what is happening today under this government and you compare it pari passu with what has happened under the 16 years misrule of PDP, you will see that if this government spent just 10 years in government, they will have been able to achieve what PDP and Abacha were unable to achieve in all their years of rule. This is quite saddening and uncalled for. At a time like this, we are seeking for loan every now and then. We are bidding for loan, yet we are still willing and ready to waste money. We are ready to waste money, because why I'm calling it waste is because I can bet with my life that these people that will benefit from this will still be man no man people, and not the actual students who are actually in need of the food. That's just the truth. What kind of a country are we, for crying out loud? What kind of a country are we? What kind of a country will be in need of money and still be wasting money? We've heard about all sorts of audio donations here and there. If actually we have this money on ground as claimed, why are we still looking for money? How much have we spent from all the money that we've claimed to have gotten from donations? This is just my take because it's annoying. It's actually annoying. It dey vex me. It dey vex me like say tomorrow no dey, e dey vex me. What did they happen sef for this kind? What did they happen? What did they happen? Because the way it is now is as if the money was actually budgeted for feeding students before the COVID-19 came, and some people have already looted this money. Therefore, by whatever means possible, they must go against every advice, every obstacle, just to register the fact that they feed students during lockdown. Students that they were unable to feed properly when they were going to school. Now they want to feed during lockdown. They want to feed during lockdown. Please tell me what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to share with friends. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please just click on the notification, the subscribe icon, and that is all. And remember to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as I drop more videos. Until I come your way next time, Edaunsi Africa is my name, the grandson of all revolutionary ancestors. Bye for now.